What's up you guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. I've been dying to do that this whole time, so I got you halfway through and then I just needed to do it. Hello, how's it going? I'm Rosie, and today is a very whack day. I missed my last upload for Vlogmas, so I just edited and uploaded it today, and now I have to also film and edit this today in order for it to go up tomorrow. So I was like, what the hell can I do? Because the video I wanted to do for tomorrow is not ready yet. So we're gonna pack for New York. This is great. I mean, this really is forcing me to be productive and use my time wisely and not wait until the last minute. I am not going to complete packing today because I do have a lot of laundry that needs to be done before I can close and zip up that suitcase. However, we can pick out some of the fun outfits that we will be bringing to New York. And I can probably, today's Thursday. I leave Saturday. In all likelihood, I'm not wearing makeup or anything tomorrow, so I can get all like the toiletries done. We can definitely get like at least 75% packed today, which I think is pretty solid, all things considered. As we know, I'm a procrastinator of the highest sort, and really any chance I get to push something off, I will do. However, I do not currently have anything on my brain right now that I'm like, oh, I want to be doing that with my free time. So instead of letting myself sit there, think about it, let the brain wander, and then choose something to fixate on for tonight, I'm going to use this time, and then if something comes while I'm in the middle of this, that's great, and I can do it afterwards. Getting out the suitcase is gonna be fun because she is very tightly packed in my little extra closet over here. Lots of things stacked around her. So we're gonna do our best to release her. These are all going to Amelia. Okay. Oh, she's not as tightly like put in there as I thought. That's good. Just gotta. Other things are falling in there, but that's not right now's problem. There we go. Those books that are for Amelia are just gonna go right in here right away. So that way we can account for them in space and weight. Hey, this is how I'm gonna have to talk to you because I'm not re-maneuvering my camera tripod. What's up? So the plan here is I am going to take into account all of my trips to New York over the past 2 years in which I have overpacked. I've overpacked knowing that I will also be purchasing things while I'm there and receiving things while I'm there. So I really, really need to make an effort this time to underpack because I know I will be filling it when I'm leaving. Would love to not have to get another suitcase and pay an extra suitcase fee for like the 4th time in a row. But yes, I overpack on normal standards, and then I just need a whole separate suitcase in order to bring home the things that I do get in New York. So we're living and we're learning and we're growing from our past mistakes. And so I think my plan here is I'm going to pick out my outfits for my major event days. So I have Sunday, in which I'm going to be in New York City. I'm gonna have brunch with Lindsay, and then I'm seeing Sleep No More with Jess, Mel, and Agatha, and we're doing dinner. So that's a full city day. I wanna look cute, I wanna take a picture, I will be vlogging, but I also need to be comfortable. 2, that will be Friday the 22nd, I'm off. That'll be another full city day in which I see a show at night, and then I should be seeing Lindsay and Alana for drinks afterwards. But like, that's a full day. 3, Christmas Eve, we're going to Liv's house for the family function, as we always do. And 4, Christmas. That's 4 fun little outfits I need to predetermine now. In all likelihood, I will probably purchase another fun little outfit that I will wear in place of one of these, but I need at least 4. And then where I go sicko, where I go just absolutely crazy, is packing the casual clothes because I don't know what I'm gonna need, where I'm gonna go, etc., etc. But I am working this time around, so I will not have as much free time. So I will absolutely be wearing like sweatpants, Lulus, you know, the comfy clothes. So I just need to be better about packing like 3 pairs of leggings rather than 7. You know, stuff of that sort. I'm also really horrible about packing like 5 different pairs of jeans and then wearing 1. So we're gonna narrow it down this time. Also because Old Navy is always the place I go when I'm home, because I like my home Old Navy because it's really big. And the one here is very far away, so I don't have time for that. So I will likely be buying jeans when I'm there anyway. So realistically, 2 pairs, more than enough. So that's what we're going into this with. Maybe I will change the camera angle because this is a lot and it hurts my neck and you're not gonna be able to see me at all. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this intimate laid down chat with me about the clothes I will be wearing when I go home. This could be OnlyFans content. Come on. Hello. I've assembled my clothes couch and we're gonna get into it. I had dinner. We're doing good. First off, I just dumped a bunch of bras and underwear in here, so I'm gonna organize those so I don't take up as much space. But I'm still washing a good amount of things, including underwear. So this side certainly will be growing. I feel like I always do like this side is bras and underwear, which, I mean, like, why? I don't know, but it is, along with the books. Oh, and I grabbed a pair of tights. They're only fucked up like this because I used them in a try on video, but I haven't actually worn them out yet. I don't currently have any dresses packed with me. However, knowing myself and who I am, there's a good chance I will purchase one and I will want tights. So the tights are here. Just got a crap ton of socks, which is good. I don't really organize the socks, which, I mean, whatever, fatal flaw. But I have specifically socks for Uggs and socks for Docs, and then socks for like normal sneakers and such. And that's the important part. If I forget the Docs socks, lol, I'm fucking screwed. My feet will hurt so bad and it will not be a good time for me. I'm sure I've mentioned this before, but I'm also like I need at least 1 pair of underwear for every single day. I know I will have access to a washing machine. I know that my mother will literally offer to do it for me. But if I don't have at least like 2 or 3 extra, it just doesn't sit right. Like, I freak out. And they just need to be there. So I have a good amount already, but I need at least like 5 more. I have my belts. We've got our 2 trusty Old Navy belts. One is just a black crocky looking one. And then one is my one side black, one side brown. So that way we've got it all in one, baby. Nice. And then Air Force Ones, obvi. And then my mini Uggs. I was debating between wearing these to the airport and wearing my Docs to the airport. And I think I will be wearing my Docs because they're heavier. So I'm giving myself more room with this. That's that side. Now let's get into the clothes. Like I said, I was going to plan my outfits first. Like the 3 big boys. And here's what I've got. For our cutie sleep no more moment, big butt press pants. I'm literally packing the outfit that I suggested Mel wear, so we can match. Hey girly. I don't know if this will go up before we go to sleep no more. If it does, then she knows. If it doesn't, haha. You knew I'm a mastermind. I barely listened to that song on midnights, but I masterminded this whole thing. Ha. But anyways, that plus I have a black turtleneck that is in the wash, or, oh, this is staticky. Or I have my lovely white one from Aerie. Yes, that will also work. So as you can see, a lot of this is neutral, so I can just sort of pick and pair as I so desire, which is ideal because I never really know how I'm feeling until the day of, and I'm very bad at following like set outfit plans. Very bad at following regular plans. These are my Fun Cider plaid pants as seen in my fashion outfit video. Go check it out if you haven't yet. But I do have my black turtleneck that I'm originally planning to wear with that. And so this is probably going to be the city. This plus black turtleneck, probably Christmas, unless I find a more fun option for Christmas. But also Christmas and Christmas Eve are sort of interchangeable, so let me show you Christmas Eve. I'm planning on this top from Abercrombie that I just absolutely adore. I got it over the summer. I wore it once for work, and she's just so pretty, and I feel like I don't have any occasions to wear her to, which is false. I should just do it. So I'm just doing it. I'm full sending it. So she is coming, and with her, likely a pair of jeans. Likely a pair of jeans. I could probably get away with the big butt press pants also if I wanted. We'll see. Here's my newer pair of Old Navy jeans that I hauled. These are the ultra high, curvy, sky high straight. So these are my newest Old Navy jeans. Probably gonna have more to come home with me because I'm crazy. Okay, and then here's a tried and true pair. These are the Wow wide leg, my favorites, in a dark wash. And so that top could go with like either of these, quite honestly. And then probably my Docs. 2.5 outfits, we're waiting for that. Let's add this top. Just my fun cut in half flannel boy. Nice and comfy, good with leggings or my jeans. So that's 3 outfits. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, 14 days, quote unquote. I reuse my airport outfits. So that's 13 outfits. We've got 3. We need 10. Once again, I do have a washing machine and I need to remember this. And it'll be okay. I do have at least 2 tops and 1 pair of pants, 4/5 outfits that are in the wash right now. We've got leggings on leggings on leggings. So that's 1. I'm gonna need to wear one to the airport. So this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. So we're up to like 8-ish. 8-ish outfits. Doing good. And with the 8-ish, I also have this sweater, which I love, and we'll be wearing with leggings. Oh, this sort of just goes over anything as like a, you know, a make the outfit kind of sweater. Maybe I bring my fun, cute little red top and sweater from last year. I think that would be really cute. I mean, when else am I gonna wear it, you know? Let me get that. So this is my cutie little red Target set that I got last year. I had had my eyes on it for months. And then I finally bit the bullet when I was in New York. So maybe this will be Christmas Eve. I lost track, but I think we're at like 8 or 9 outfits. And then we've got this top. 10, boom, crazy. That's beautiful. That leaves 3 outfits to either repeat or find. So we'll leave it at that. A lot of heavy sweaters. I'm hoping that'll be okay. We have this little scarf. She's coming. And we have my big old leather jacket. Is this what I wear on the plane? That might be a lot for the plane. How heavy are these in comparison? These are about the same weight. I'm gonna pack this. I'm gonna wear this on the plane with my little, the go-to plane uniform, BT Dubs, is a Yak Cat shirt, leggings, and a sweater. So just to put you in the know. And then I will pack this because this feels like just a lot to put on and maneuver with on a plane. So we can cover that. I do have my pajama set from Victoria's Secret that I will be bringing. And then I just have random shit at my parents' house, you know? Like, I absolutely have pajamas at my parents' house. And also this sweatshirt. Boom. That's like 10 outfits. That's at least 10. Maybe it's 11. Maybe it's 12. Who knows? I'll count later. But how are we feeling? We're feeling pretty good. I think I could definitely get my toiletries in here and whatever else I need to get in here, you know? Maybe I could even fit one of my laptops. That would be pretty epic. Well, fancy seeing you in my bathroom. This is the best setup we got. So I'm gonna stand up. You won't see my pretty little face, but you will see what I'm putting inside my new 2 makeup bags. So, first off, These can all go in something and come with me. My bags are still somewhat packed from when we moved because I just sort of plopped them in here and worked from it. That makes life kind of easy. And that, this does not need to come right now. What is this? That doesn't need to come. That needs to come. These are really the two palettes I've been using. They're both MAC. Teenage girly me would be quaking. Oh, and then this. Perfect. And honestly, this makeup bag is freaking huge and I love it. It puts so much stuff in here. This. Okay. Along with this, my little brush bag. This also is looking pretty good. That needs to get washed. This can come. Maybe. Okay, one or the other. This one. This one. All right. Thankfully, since I don't have enough room to really like organize my makeup, this just sort of comes out. Don't forget to bring your meds, because I know I will. Toss the skincare in there. And boom shakalaka. We're good. I'm not washing my hair again until I get there. What do I want? I think I want to take that. And then, am I going full curl? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, Lips family likes when I have full curl, so I'll go full curl just for them. And we need my little straightener, which is my tool of choice. Use it for everything. I thought I had an extra bagoo, but I don't. So I will just put these with my, whatchamacallit, with my toothbrush in a plastic bag. So we can save that for later. But let's move all of this into the suitcase. Okay, I did that in one trip. And I'm so very impressed with myself. So let's sneak all this in here. Normally I keep it on this side. So let's see. I'm going to put this here. Just because if I forget it, I will die. But I still need it for work tomorrow, so where I can see it, but where I won't forget it. Now I think the final part of this is choosing which books I want to bring. Because the Kindle is coming. The thing is, I want to bring so many. But I have plenty on my Kindle, so maybe like one. Just one. I'm going to be busy. Just one. Okay. Okay, if it's going to be just one, it has to be the 7-year slip. Because this one has been on my mind a lot recently, and I very much want to read it now. And it's also not that long. Kind of love that. So this and this, these will be going in my carry-on, my little backy-packy. And that I will probably be packing tomorrow. That'll be a part of the travel vlog, because I don't do that until like right before I'm about to leave, because it is all my stuff that I'm like currently using. So that's that. Well, my darling friends, that's about all I can do for right now until my loads of laundry dry up. I am gonna just leave her as she is, and we're gonna hop on editing this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad you're here. The next video should be us traveling to New York. So that is fun and exciting and fresh. And if you want to hang out with me and see me traipse around New York City and see all my friends and like have a good time, subscribe. I have the rest of Vlogmas. That's only like a week and a half left. That's like kind of crazy. But thank you again for watching. I love you. I hope you have a fabulous whatever time of day you're in. And I will be talking to you very, very soon. Bye.